How to get free SeatGeeks promo code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to get free SeatGeeks promo code, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for SeatGeek promo code. You will now be able to see various links here. You can tap on any of the link. I personally prefer www.forbes.com. You will now see various coupons, code and offers in this interface. You can go ahead and tap on any of these options and you will be able to get SeatGeeks promo code. For instance, if I tap on the first option, that is $10 off on my first purchase over $250, you can see I have received a promo code. Tap on the copy option and then go ahead and paste it further in the SeatGeek webpage. Make sure to check the dates of promo code as sometimes the promo codes are expired already. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.